Hey, ACR fam, welcome back to another video. Make sure y'all comment down below how y'all feeling. In today's video, I will be doing something special, and it is a DIY Mother's Day gift basket. Disclaimer, before this video starts, I just want to say this is my first time ever doing this, so please do not judge how it looks. I feel it did come out perfect in my opinion for it being my first time. I just wanted to be creative this year and do something different instead of just putting the Mother's Day gift in just a simple gift bag. I wanted to do something different. I saw this on YouTube and just wanted to do my own version. So right here, as y'all seeing, this is just all the items that I'll be putting in the basket. I went to Bath and Body Works, Shoppers, and Dollar Tree for all the materials. And hopefully, if you want to try this next year, you can. By the time this video drop, it will be Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to everyone. I know some of my subscribers are mothers. So happy Mother's Day to you, and happy Mother's Day to everyone that has a mom that's close to their mom, their grandma, aunties, whatever. Hope you enjoy, and that's all.
Want me home, I get you what you want, but you want me alone. I'm on. You want me home.
the very end of my video. Here is the final look of the baskets. Like I said, in my opinion, I feel I did good. This is my first time. Practice makes perfect. If I keep doing it, I feel I did a wonderful job and I had a fun time doing this. I will do this more often. And yeah, it took me like a good hour and a half to do it, since I was trying to focus to make sure everything was in right. And this video went by pretty fast. It was only 9 minutes. A lot of stuff I did behind the scenes, like off camera, so I can focus. Sometimes when I'm recording myself, when I'm trying to focus, it frustrates me doing both of them at the same time. So I did turn the camera off to try to focus, and I might try to fix it a little bit more before I give it on Mother's Day. Today is Saturday, the day that I'm filming it, and I will be giving it tomorrow. So yes, I will try to fix it a little bit, make it more neater before I give it out. But here is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. New people, make sure you comment down below ACR fam, so I know you joined the family. Hope y'all enjoy, and I will see y'all in my next video. Once again, happy Mother's Day.